Welcome to my hotel and room tour of the Hyatt Regency Lake Tahoe Resort Spa and Casino. We spent 2 fantastic nights here during a busy Labor Day weekend. The lobby exudes a unique decor that perfectly complements the log cabin architecture. It's warm and inviting even during the non-snowy season. At check-in, we were greeted with complimentary beverages, and as Hyatt Globalists, we received a voucher for a delicious in-house made pear sorbet. However, for a resort of this size, 2 elevators were insufficient. We were upgraded to a suite using a Suite Upgrade Award and stayed in the Sugar Pine Junior Suite. The entryway features a large credenza with a refrigerator, a safe, and a coffee maker. Our resort fee, which was waived, includes 2 reusable water bottles, and refill stations are conveniently located throughout the resort. At 550 square feet, it provided ample space for our family of 4. The sofa was comfortable and it was converted to a sleeper sofa for my daughter. While it creaked occasionally, it was still decent. My son slept on the seating area by the bay windows, which offered a serene view of trees and mountains. It was a peaceful and relaxing spot. The king bed was plush with crisp linens. Although we weren't in a separate bedroom, the room's layout encouraged family bonding time, which is the main reason for our trips. There are a few power outlets by the nightstand, but they were a bit loose and flimsy. The entryway hooks and closet are conveniently located in the front of the unit. The bathroom is decent sized with a stone-like shower complete with shower amenities. The dual sink is convenient for families and there's a large soaking tub. Overall, it's a good bathroom and I appreciate how separate it is from the living space. The resort has 2 parking options, one of which is arguably the most serene and picturesque self-parking lot priced at $29 per night. Valet parking, on the other hand, costs $50 per night. Notably, several Tesla charging stations are only accessible through valet services. Additionally, there's a courtesy GMC Yukon shuttle available for short trips near the resort. Near the front entrance, you'll find a general store and various dining options. Cutthroat's Saloon is a full-service bar and restaurant that serves delicious burgers, though they may be a bit pricey. Tahoe Provisions is a grab-and-go cafe where we redeemed our voucher for a refreshing pear sorbet. The staff was friendly and even offered our dog a small treat. Osteria Sierra is the restaurant that serves daily breakfast and dinner. The seating is comfortable and patio dining is available, although dogs are not permitted. The Grand Lodge Casino entrance is located near the lobby, but it rarely seems crowded. In the evenings, the campfire becomes a popular spot to roast marshmallows and enjoy s'mores. As part of the resort fee, there are some fun activities included. Daily beach access passes are issued, and a shuttle frequently runs back and forth at the entrance. Not affiliated with the hotel is a bike shop where guests can rent bikes and explore the nearby trails and paths. We opted to walk and savor the beautiful scenery instead. Another shuttle takes guests to their nearby private pier just a short 5-minute drive away. There, they can rent paddleboards and kayaks to explore the water. We arrived early in the morning when the water was calm and serene, creating an absolutely breathtaking view. Part of the resort is going under redevelopment and won't be complete until late 2027. The resort grounds offer a variety of additional activities to suit different interests. Hikes around the resort, bead making, archery for those 8 years and up, hatchet throwing, and a rock climbing wall are just a few options available. Despite the busy weekend, the activities team was incredibly upbeat and friendly, making everyone feel welcome and at ease. The fitness center is divided into 2 rooms. The first room features a Tempo interactive workout platform, dumbbells, and 5 Peloton bikes. Hyatt and Peloton have partnered to offer bonus World of Hyatt points to members participating in select workouts. This is just another incentive to visit the gym. The second room is equipped with additional strength training machines, free weights, and various cardio equipment. It's a spacious area, but it was never too crowded. At the end of the hall, you'll find the Stillwater Spa offering a range of treatments. The outdoor swimming pool is stunning, but it was quite crowded. A DJ was playing music, and there were many guests enjoying poolside food and beverage service. Towel service is automated with a towel tracker cabinet. As Hyatt Globalist status members, we had the pleasure of enjoying complimentary breakfast at Osteria Sierra. We could choose either the buffet or a la carte, and we decided to try the buffet on the first day. It was quite impressive. The menu selection and freshness were on par with some of the best breakfast buffets I've had in recent years. On the second day, I opted for a la carte and indulged in a delicious New York strip loin and eggs. Overall, we had a surprisingly fantastic stay. It exceeded my expectations in terms of hotel conditions, service, and unique activities. I'm looking forward to visiting again in the winter, where the experience will likely be quite different. Thanks for watching.